Hi there, Shopify store owner. Ryan here from Sixads. Lately, we've been asked how to get started with Sixads and, of course, how to best use Sixads. So I'm here to help you out, and I'll be using our development store and test accounts to show you around so you can see how easy it really is. So your first step is, once you're on this page, click on Get Started. The next page after the magic spinning wheel is choosing your products to advertise. Once you've selected your products, hit Next. Now we're on geo-targeting. Once you've selected all the countries you wish to advertise, again, hit Next. Now we can actually preview and edit what we're advertising. To give you a quick look, you can see your ad preview, Facebook, Google, and Instagram. You can see the primary text, headline, and description, plus the targeting here. Once you've got everything correct, hit Save, and again, hit Next. Now we are on the price plans. There are 3 available. The Pro one is recommended for a reason. Email support is absolutely crucial, very beneficial, and if you want to save some money, you can toggle over to yearly as well. I'll stick with monthly for now, and I'll hit Get Started. The next page, once everything loads, will be the billing page. Make sure to check all the details, make sure you're happy and everything's ready to go. Once you've done that, you can actually hit Approve Subscription. From here, it's going to take us over to our Connect Accounts page. I'm going to hit Sign In with Facebook. First step, there we go, done. Sign in with Facebook. Tutti frutti, tutti frutti, tutti frutti. It's a pretty tutti frutti day. Once everything is ready to go, we can hit Approve. The magic spinning wheel does its thing. And once it's finished working its magic, you can see we are connected. Next up, let's go Google Ads Manager. Sign in with Google. We get our little pop-up. We choose the account we want to access. And when we're ready, it will work its magic and we can click on Allow. Once everything's good to go, we can add our account and hit Approve. You'll now notice both are connected and we have the ability to go next. From here, we are on the campaign budget. You will see that you can select what you want to where you want to advertise, which channels are best for you. Your campaign budget, super easy to change, and of course, how much you want to spend where. Once everything's ready, you can check your estimated campaign results and click Approve. There you go, guys. It's that easy. And to give you a quick bonus, let's explore our campaign. So the first thing you'll see, we've got the campaign name, delivery, clicks, cost, sales, everything is there. If you want more personal data between each channel, you've got Facebook, Instagram, and Google all at the top. Well, there we go, guys. I hope that helps. I'm Ryan from Sixads, and happy selling, happy days.